Hey folks, ever thought cow poop could be worth its weight in gold? Well, maybe not gold, but certainly eco-treasures. Today, I'm diving into an amazing innovation where scientists are turning cow manure into high-value industrial materials. First up, bioplastics. These are biodegradable polymers, perfect for packaging and consumer products. Imagine your takeout containers made from cow manure. Next, fiber-reinforced composites. These are super strong, lightweight materials that are perfect for furniture, car parts, and even building structures. Speaking of building, how about eco-friendly construction panels? These panels can be used for insulation and as drywall alternatives. And let's not forget biochar and biobricks. They're great for soil improvement, carbon sequestration, and as sustainable building blocks. Lastly, we have cellulose fibers. These can be refined for use in paper, textiles, and even filtration materials. Cool, right? What's even more impressive is how this process tackles agricultural waste while offering a sustainable alternative to resource-intensive manufacturing. It's a win-win for farmers, industries, and our beloved planet. This eco-breakthrough shows just how powerful farm waste can be when it comes to clean tech, green building, and sustainable manufacturing. It's all about creating a circular economy where waste becomes a renewable resource. So the next time you pass a cow, just remember their poop might just be the future of green innovation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more eco-friendly innovations. Thanks for watching.